Alright friends, I am back. Disaster struck. So clearly I did not seal this one very good, or this one very good. So I lost about half of the silicone in this one, and a little bit less than that in this one. So what I ended up doing was, well, number one, I struggled and tried to stave off the leakage, which did not work, unfortunately. So what I ended up doing was letting it cure up, and then coming back and topping everything off. Also in the process, I molded some cork stoppers for the bottles. I have no clue whether those are gonna work or come out or whatnot. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start unmolding this. I'm actually quite nervous, especially for this one, just because I don't know if the second layer of silicone is going to stick to the first layer of silicone. But I guess we can go ahead and get started. Luckily, the silicone was quite easy to clean up, the silicone that had spilled. So I was very happy about that. Okay, that's the tape off. Okay. Can you see me shaking? I really am just so freaking weak these days. Okay. I'll tell you what. Let's just get the tape off for now. And then I will get these detached from the cardboard off camera so you don't have to watch me struggle so much. Yeah, let me do the rest of this off camera so you guys aren't sitting here bored as hell going, come on Megan, speed it up. Okay, hang tight guys. Alright friends, I'm not gonna lie, that was not easy. Legit took me almost 10 minutes to do. So, yeah, let's go ahead and dig in. I'm not really sure how to do this. Maybe I should get that little brick thing, the brick extractor tool. Let me see if this will work first. Nope, okay. Let me run and grab that. Alright everybody, 2 hours later, and I finally got everything out. I learned some lessons, so let's talk about that real quick. Number one, I should have put tape on the inside of the Lego mold as well, because if you guys could see the pile of silicone that I had to cut off from in between all of the Legos, it was insane. So that was a lot of wasted silicone. So big lesson for me. potential lesson for you if you're planning to try this one day. Definitely tape the inside of the Legos as well so that that silicone does not seep through. So yeah, let's go ahead and start unmolding. I'm excited. Which one do we, I guess we'll start with like the little bottles first. Now remember that the silicone went inside of these as well. Hi friends, Editing Megan here. I'm not gonna lie, this video was super frustrating to edit because I was super frustrated trying to demold all of this stuff, and yeah, the bottles didn't work because clearly I am not a very bright person and didn't realize that the inside of the bottle was going to be much larger than the neck of the bottle. So those did not come out, and I ended up breaking them up into little pieces, and I still haven't gotten all the glass out, and blah, 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 blah. We're just going to fast forward through all of this to where I pour the resin into the one bottle that I managed to get all the glass out and trim around the middle, and the corks, which still have a little bit of cork in the mold because, you know, cork can stick to silicone, but also the skulls, because the skulls actually worked. So I'm just going to save you guys the pain and the struggle, and at least one of us didn't have to go through it. Okay. I'm okay, I promise. All right, here we go. All right, friends. Protective glasses, because I was digging at glass. Well, I have spent the last 4 hours, I kid you not, trying to get the glass. Oh wait, where's my mic? Trying to get the glass out of here. Trying to get the glass out of here. And I realized my fatal flaw. The bottles the neck obviously is smaller than the body. Yeah. So clearly this is not all going to fit through that tiny neck. So I've kind of given up on these big ones for now. And I kind of gave up on this one. I did cut this on purpose to try and see if that would help me get, you know, the glass out, because, you know, you can wrap a rubber band around that. But what I did do is manage to pull this out and trim it down so that way it's, shut up phone, so that way it's not so big and will cause an issue, if that makes sense. I did manage to get the neck of the bottle out all in mostly one piece over this thing, so it did fit. So hopefully it'll work. But I did manage to get all of the corks out, and these of course are the skulls. So today we are going to pour these, and what I might end up doing, because there is still some glass shards stuck in there that I cannot get out. What I might end up doing is pouring all of these, waiting for this one to cure, demolding it, and then pouring it again, hoping to get all of the glass out with the first pour. So that's what we're going to do today. And yeah, just, I know I've said it before, I'm going to reiterate, this is the last regular video for the month of October. So stay tuned on Saturday. I'm going to have a video coming up all about my 13 Days of Horror series, what you can expect, the schedule, that kind of thing. But let me go ahead and whip up my resin, get this stuff poured, And then I will be back for the unmolding, so stay tuned. All aboard the Hot Mess Express, because clearly not enough has gone wrong for this video. Deep breaths, Megan. You can do this. Okay. Long story short, apparently my microphone died and I was blissfully unaware while unmolding these things. So, yeah, we're just going to roll with it. Needless to say, the bottle turned out great. The skulls turned out great. The corks, not so much, but only because it had some cork left in it, because of the cork that had stuck to the silicone. Oh my god, blah, 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 you get it. Anyway, stay tuned. Saturday's video is going to tell you all about 13 Days of Horrible Crafts series coming up. And, yeah, sorry that this video was such a mess, and I hope it made you laugh at my pain. So, yeah, have a great day.